Here at home this morning, when you step outside, you're going to notice it is noticeably colder. Paul, you said that was going to be our reality.
Yeah, and it's going to wake you up in a hurry. Focus on the positive here, but you need to layer up a little bit, and if you parked outside, you might have to scrape off the windshield this morning. Just 1 degree above freezing in Chapel Hill from Keenan Memorial Stadium. A couple degrees above freezing right now on campus at NC State with mostly clear skies overhead. Just a few high clouds floating through. Those are not substantial enough to hold any warmth near ground level, which is why our temperatures have dropped off so far overnight. Temperatures even in the upper 20s in South Hill, Siler City, and in Sanford. 30 degrees on the nose in Roxborough and Roanoke Rapids. Those are all the cold spots. It's slightly less cold the farther south you go. 36 in Clinton, 37 Rayford, and 39 in Fayetteville. But that's the least cold spot on the map. Still need to layer up as you head out. And you can get rid of some of those layers later on today. Still chilly through 8 o'clock this morning with temperatures still in the 30s. But then we're up to the mid-50s by noon. That's a nice warm-up for the first half of the day. A few clouds overhead filtering the sunshine, but it's still going to be a pleasant day. A tiny bit on the cool side, but not bad at all. Just remember back to that cold gray stretch of weather we had. We can handle this. Upper 50s for highs, still low 50s by 6 o'clock this evening as we slowly cool off. The increase in clouds are going to keep temperatures much warmer overnight. We're only going to drop to the mid-40s by this time tomorrow morning. Temperatures today a little warmer farther south. You've got a better chance of reaching or even exceeding 60 degrees in Fayetteville into the Sand Hills. The southern coastal plain, better chance of hitting 60. Upper half of the 50s for the northern half of the coastal plain, and that's not bad for late November. Mid-50s along the Virginia state line. All these numbers across the board about 2 or 3 degrees below average. We can handle that. Futurecast shows the increase in cloud cover, but no rain for us today. The next chance of showers tries to move in tomorrow. We're going to be tracking a couple showers mainly north of the triangle tomorrow morning. Those will scoot through, but the best chance of rain out to our west isn't going to move in yet until Saturday, and probably later in the day Saturday. A lot of cloud cover Saturday. An off and on shower chance is going to be with us throughout the day for the first half of the weekend, but it's going to be very light until Saturday evening. This area of more substantial rain spreads in from the west. That's our best rain chance in the whole 10-day forecast, but it's going to be gone by the time the sun comes up on Sunday. Do you want to take a look ahead to next week because we have a big travel day on Wednesday. We're looking at 2 different forecast models just after midnight Tuesday night. So heading into Thanksgiving Eve, one of the busiest travel days of the year. The American forecast model shows rain moving towards us. So does the European forecast model. So showers possible around central North Carolina for local travel. The bigger headaches would be national travel because there's potential for snow, especially around Chicago, a very busy airline hub, especially on Thanksgiving Eve. But the European forecast model, which is usually more accurate, pushes that farther to the east and tends to minimize any potential for nationwide travel chaos on Wednesday. We'll keep you updated as we head towards the holiday. Temperatures around here running within about 5 degrees of what's normal for late November all the way through the rest of the month. The 10-day forecast takes us all the way to November 30th. Looking at a chance of those off and on showers for any local travel on Wednesday, but we dry out for Thanksgiving. Temperatures in the upper 50s, almost exactly normal for Turkey Day.
All right, keeping those 40s down for the lows.
Yeah, and that's not bad either for this time of year.
And some good news for this morning, not dealing with the fog like we did here yesterday.
Right. How's the traffic otherwise?
Not bad. We have a few crashes to talk about, and you can